What did you just call me? We said kakalaka boom, but my name is Vava, no it's kakabaka poo. Stop it this second, you all know my name. Alright, we are sorry, we will correctly try to say Kavavaka kakava, kakabaka pukala. Shut up, I've heard enough. Kakabaka vakaka, vakvakjata kakaba. If you won't stop, I will use my power. What will you do? What is your plan? If you were a superhero, you would be Kakaman. That's it, I've heard enough. Time for 100% power. We are sorry, Vava, I am sorry, brother. I'll send you to heaven if you call me Kaka. Alright, Kaka, I won't call you Kaka. Like and subscribe to turn her into a llama.